Hi guys, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to be showing you a little bit of a house tour. I'm getting ready to rearrange everything in here, the furniture, the wall art, the lamps and everything, just with things I already have in the home, just to do a refresh. So I thought I would bring this to you first before I make my other changes. Now guys, I want to shout out to everybody who checked on me while I wasn't uploading. I am good. I was just having some technical problems. Now, I want to know in your area, everything is open in my area in South Carolina. Let me know if your stores are open. Have you been to the stores? And what projects are you working on right now? And guys, this is a short video, but I do have a lot of pictures at the end, so hang tight till the end. If you see, I'm not going to do any talking in the video, but if you see anything that you have a question about, let me know in the comments and I will get back with you. Also, if you love home decor, interior styling, or anything home related or turning your house into a home, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the videos I have coming up. So guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.